Hi, this is Mrs. Tyler, and I just wanted to do a real quick refresher on what's expected for your biography for your Progressive Era Puppet project. So if you open up your assignment right here, okay, you're going to want to zoom in a little bit so that you can see what you're typing a little better. Oops. Zoom out 100%. Okay. I hate when that happens. Undo. All right, in here we've got a text box that you can actually type in. Okay, I don't know why it's red, but you can, it doesn't have to be black or white or whatever. You can do whatever. It needs to be a color that I can read though. And it doesn't need to be italicized, so don't worry about that. Do not go to have like some huge giant um, font size of 14, 16, no bigger than 16, I don't think. No smaller than 11 or 12, please. Otherwise, it gets way too tiny to read. All right, so remember that you've taken notes. Okay, I'm going to go here. Here's my example of all of my notes. I have a topic sentence here. That is going to become my introduction sentence. Part of my very first sentence of my entire biography has to be this topic sentence. Okay, so progressive is technically capitalized, so I have to see how I worded that. Showed the American value of equality. When she fought for African Americans and women to receive equal rights. You need to include the definition of equality in your introduction paragraph. So that would be a great place to go back to your packet. Okay, when this is what your packet looks like on this page. When we did the American Values Glossary, you've got this all filled in, and there's a definition there. So down here, we talked about equality. Right here, the right of different groups to receive the same legal and social treatment and civil rights. Okay, so I would go in here and say equality is okay. That is a great start to my biography. I'm going to scroll down a little bit. Then I would go into detail, including information from my research that I found. Okay. Maybe taking the stuff that I had put in my own words, remembering that I cannot just copy and paste from any of my sources because that's plagiarism. So don't do that. Make sure you're putting everything in your own words, giving some examples from information that you found in your research that support your topic sentence of working towards equality. So you're going to want to give some examples of ways your person worked for whichever word you've highlighted or you've made your American value. Your goal in writing this biography is to make sure that you support that main idea, that topic sentence, with information that you found in your research about how the person you're researching worked towards that American value. Okay? Hopefully that'll give you a great start, and you can go ahead and continue working on creating that. When you are done, you will turn it in to your teacher, and then they will print it for you, and you can then cut it out and glue it onto the back of your project, of your paper bag puppet. Okay, hope this helps you get off to a really good start, and have a great day.